Do you want to get paid between $200 to $2,000 simply by reading words? If yes, then you will need to stick around, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can stay at the comfort of your home and make money online just by reading. On this website that we're going to discuss in this video, there are a group of people who are willing to pay you between $200 to $2,000 just for you to read for them, alright? This group of people, these employers, don't want to use their real voice, so they are willing to pay you a huge amount of money for you to do the work for them. And now, I know you might be thinking you don't have any equipment, you don't have any phone, you don't have any laptop to even do it. But don't worry, there is a simple way that I'm going to show you at the end of this video that's going to help you to do all the works, alright? So what I'm asking of you is for you to stick around to the end of this video so that you don't miss out on any vital step, okay? And irrespective of your country, being Africa, Asia, America, Europe, Oceania, no matter where you live in the world, you can still get started from this website and start making money right away, guys, alright? So your location is not going to be a barrier for you to get started, okay? All you need to get started is a good access to the internet, a good working laptop, or even a smartphone, alright? But there is another thing that you need to get started. But don't worry, in the video you're going to find out you need to pay good attention so that you don't miss out on any step, okay? And again, you don't need any experience to start making money from this website, okay? You don't need to be a professional to get everything started. Even if you're just a beginner watching this video, you can actually make everything done by yourself, alright? Because I'm going to walk you through with a clear basic tutorial, alright? And this website that we're going to be using today is called voices.com. And now, since you understand the context and how everything works, what you need to do now is to go ahead and create your account, alright? To do that, you need to click on this button right here that says sign up. When you click on it, then you're going to be on this page, okay? And here, you need to put in your email address, okay? And once you've done that, you're going to hit on continue. Then you'll be given the sign up form, okay? What you need to do is to put in your full name, alright? Then you create a password, and then you're gonna have these two options to choose from, okay? Between the hire for a project or work as a freelancer, you're gonna click on work as a freelancer. Then it's gonna turn blue, alright? When you click on work as a freelancer, it's gonna turn blue. Then you will hit on the agree terms. Once you've done that, you're gonna hit on this button that says sign up, alright? And once you've done that, you're gonna be on this page. What you need to do now is to go to your email address and verify the email, alright? Then once you come to your email address, you're gonna have it here. Click on this button and say verify your email, alright? Then you will have this form, okay? Here is where you're gonna put all your basic information about your residence and your country where you live in, alright? You're gonna write your street address right here and put the city where you live in. And here you're gonna choose your country where you live in, not the continent, the country. And here you're gonna choose your province or your state, okay? Put your postal code here. If you don't know your postal code, you can go to Google, write the name of your city and write postal code. You're gonna say it, alright? Once you've done that, put your phone number right here and click on this button that says billing address same as mailing address. And once you've done that, you're going to hit on sign up, okay? Then once you've done that, you're going to be on this page that says welcome to Voices Wilson, okay? Click on this button that says get started. Then you're going to have a little demo of how you're going to set up your account. What you need to do is to hit on this button that says next. Click on next again. Click on next again, next. Then you're going to be on this page where it says select your service and skills. The first thing you need to do is to hit on this button that says select service. You can choose something like voiceover right here. And for voiceover, you're going to select the voiceover skill, okay? And for that, you're going to choose audiobooks, okay? You might be able to do other things, okay, apart from voiceover. What you need to do is to come here and say add service, okay? You need to choose the service again. Choose something like translation, alright? You can see when you choose translation, you have different options, okay? So it's going to vary, depends on what you choose, alright? If you don't want translation, you can remove the translation. You can choose add service again, choose the specific service like audio production, okay? And here you'll be asked for the skill. What skill do you have in audio production? You can say audio editing, audio engineering. Let me just say audio editing, okay? You can continue to add another service again if you want. But for the sake of this video, I'll just go ahead and say save and next, alright? Then you're going to be on this page that says finish your profile or check out for job. But since you'll be a person that's going to be starting out, you can just edit your profile, make it look professional, alright? Because the people in this website are professional, so they want the work to look good. You will need to make a profile to look more professional to be happy to this set of people, right? Even if you're not a professional, it doesn't mean you cannot set your profile as a professional, okay? Like I said earlier in the video, I'm going to show you simple trick that you can use to make everything to be simple for you. Alright, but for the sake of this video, just go ahead and click on view jobs. It's going to take a while to load, or the whole job is going to pop up at once. Alright, and once you're at the home page like this, you can see some of the jobs I've started from 100. But what you want to do is to go over here that says sort. Okay, come to the budget and hit on budget high low. This is going to show all the whole budget, all the whole employers that are willing to pay big amount of money. Alright, once you click on it, you're going to wait a little bit for it to load up. And once you load up, you're going to see it this way. You can see this very first one right here is willing to pay $4,000, and the second one is willing to pay $2,000. The third one is willing to pay $2,000. This very employer just want a conventional female, a female who is going to do a voiceover for him or her. Don't worry, even if you're not a female, and if you see some job that require males, and even if you are not a male, like I said earlier in the video, I'm going to show you a little method that's going to give you everything that you need. Alright, you can see you just need a conventional female for an online ad, and the word count is just 262. Alright, and the length is going to be 1 minute and 44 seconds. Just 1 minute and 44 seconds, and it's ready to pay $4,000. Before we go further into the video, let me take a little of your time and introduce myself. If it's the first time here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Wilson. On this channel, I teach people how to possibly stay at home and make money online. So if you're that type of person who's looking for ways to make money online, you can consider subscribing to this channel, so that whenever I upload any video like this on how to stay at home and make money online, you will definitely be the first person to be notified by YouTube. And you know what that means? If you're that first person to be notified, you're going to be the first person to watch the video and be the first person to make money with the video. Alright? And if you are finding this video to be helpful and informative, please do give me a thumbs up, so that the YouTube algorithm will push this video out to more people who are looking for different ways and strategies that they can use to make money online. Like I said earlier in the video, you might not have the main mic to do the voiceover. So what you want to do is to go to this website that is called Fiverr.com. Alright, if you search for something like female voiceover, it's going to pop up and you're going to have everything here. Okay, and most of these voiceover right here are female. Okay, this one is going to charge you $14, $19, $48. So you're going to search for the professional female voiceover right here. If this person is willing to pay $4,000 and this other one is willing to pay $2,000, I believe you must be able to invest at least $14 or even $48 for this work. But if you know that you can do it everything by yourself, you can make everything look professional, you can go by yourself. But if you want to make it more professional, I would advise you to come to Fiverr and search for a professional gig right here. Once you search the professional one, you're going to pay the person to carry this job for you. You can see this one is just 1 minute and 44 seconds. It's not that long. Alright, and most of these jobs on this website are going to pay out through PayPal, bank transfer, or even wire transfer. So you don't have anything you should be worrying about the transfer. Alright, you remember, like I said earlier in the video, there is another thing that you need to get started in spite of a phone, laptop, and a good access to the internet. And that is the main reason why I say you should stick to the end of it. Alright, you can see most of these people are willing to pay a high amount of money. Okay, but if you want to reply to the job, you need to pay some amount of money to actually be in the premium plan. Okay, because I'm trying to be frank and sincere to you. Alright, so if you are willing to pay this type of money right here, $500 plus the money that you're going to pay on Fiverr, let's say $500, to be making this type of money here, that is going to totally depends on you. Alright, if you're on the guest plan, you cannot actually get all this type of job right here. Okay, because this website, everything about them is professional. So you will be willing to invest this type of money, $500, for you to be able to contact all these employers. Alright, so basically it's going to depend on you. If you're watching this video, it means you're my follower. I'm not going to deceive you. I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know. Alright, so this is the breaking point for you. If you're that type of person who is willing to pay this type of money, you can do it, and at the end you're going to cash out some big amount of money. This decision is going to depend on you, and it's going to depend on your budget. Okay, but if you feel like this website is too risky for you, you don't want to do it this way, you don't want to use this website to make money online because of what it requires, if you click on this video right here, it's going to show you another method, another website, different strategies that you can actually use to make money online. Okay, or if you click on this playlist, it's going to take you to many of my videos that are going to show you different strategies that you can use to work from home and make money online. Alright, so see you next time with another video again, just like this, on how to stay at home and make money online. Cheers, peace out.